In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Goodday. Before we get started, a quick reminder. Deleting a workspace is usually permanent, or at least very difficult to undo. So make sure you really want to remove it, and that you're not deleting any important data that you or your team might still need. It's always a good idea to double check with your teammates or export anything important before you continue. First, open Goodday and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the list of workspaces that you have access to. This might appear on the left-hand side of the screen or in a drop-down at the top, depending on your layout and settings. Take a moment to carefully select the workspace you actually want to delete. If you manage multiple workspaces with similar names, pause and confirm that you're choosing the correct one to avoid any mistakes. After you've selected the right workspace, the next step is to go to its settings. Within Goodday, look for a settings button or gear icon associated with that workspace. This is usually found near the workspace name or in a menu that appears when you click on it. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open the configuration area for that specific workspace, where you can manage things like permissions, details, and in this case, deletion. Once you're inside the workspace settings page, look for the option labeled Delete. This might appear as a button, usually towards the bottom or in a section related to workspace management or advanced options. When you find the delete button, click on it. At this point, Goodday will typically ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the workspace. You may see a warning message explaining that this action is permanent and that all associated data, tasks, or projects will be removed. Read that message carefully. If you're completely sure you want to proceed, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. This might mean clicking delete again, typing the workspace name, or acknowledging a confirmation prompt. Once you confirm, the workspace will be deleted from your Goodday account and it will no longer appear